Hey guys, I just got back from Five Below, and yep, I went in person with a mask on, and they've got it all set up. You can check out, like, you know, like at the grocery store, you know, you can self-checkout. There's a guy there, like, helping you. Well, there was a guy in my case, but there's a person there helping you. Anyway, I wanted to check out, I needed some wireless earbuds, and I didn't want to go ahead and spend, like, AirPod money on them. Besides, I have a Android, so yeah, it's not going to work with AirPods. Don't work with Android, do they? I don't know. Anyway, so this actually says it's compatible with Siri, works with Siri. So if you do have an iPhone, these are supposedly work. Let's open this box and see what's inside here. And these were $8. Okay, so it looks like it's a USB B version, not C. And of course, my neighbors are honking their horns. Shut up over there! No, I'm just kidding. Anytime I'm doing a video, there's nothing. So anyway, it looks like this case is made out of solid marble. No, it's not. It's just plastic. The hinge over here, so it snaps open. Okay, there's a button here. Looks like you gotta plug these suckers in. Well, let's see if they came with a charge. All right, let's check this out first. Okay, so here's one earbud, and it's got a little button on the side here. I'm guessing that's for pairing. BC right. Okay, it's labeled right, so that's nice. Nice, it's already labeled, and you know, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool plastic. It looks like the type of shape of the part you put in your ear looks like the shape of the ones that came with an iPhone, or yeah, the iPhone. I think it was an iPhone. I had some leftover wired headphones, they're white ones. So anyway, let's see if it actually came with a charge. So let's see how they fit in here first. Lefty righty. Yeah, so you kind of spring load in there. Press the button. Nope. Okay, so there's no charge. So that's the unboxing part of the video, and then I'm going to charge these up, and then we'll play with them as soon as they get. Alrighty, the USB plugged into the laptop, and the little micro USB adapter plugged into the back of the charging case with the pods in the top of the charging case. So you can see that I can see the blinking light through the USB in the back. This is not like perfectly made, but hey, you know what? It was $8 in tax. So the light at the bottom here is blinking. So when the light stops blinking and becomes steady, that means it's fully charged. So we're fully charging this because it's the first time we're using it, and that's what the instructions say to do. So we'll follow the instructions, you know, from the beginning here. Alright, this puppy's charged, so do I really have to show you? The light went steady, full on red. So, alright, according to the instructions, as soon as you take these out of the case, they will automatically turn on. Okay, the earbuds will turn on as soon as they come out of the case. However, it's important to make sure that the device you want to pair it with, the Bluetooth is off. So on my phone, the Bluetooth is off here, okay? Alright, so when we take them out of the case, each of the earbuds will say powered on, and then it'll say matching, alright? Plus, powered on, matching, alright, so this one's flashing blue, this one's flashing blue and red. That's what we want to see, okay? Alright, so now we go to our device and we hit Bluetooth, and it'll say, there it is, Prime Audio. So we hit Prime Audio, it says pairing, pair with Prime Audio, okay. And it says connected. Connected for calls, and it says 90% battery remaining. Well, that's interesting because I thought I was fully charged. Well, that's cool. All right, so let's all right, let's try a little bit of music. All right, so it's playing music. I'm gonna go ahead and pop them in my ears and see if see how the sound quality is. Yeah, the quality is pretty good. I mean, it's a little tinny, like there's not a lot of bass, but that's okay. We don't want hearing damage here. So yeah, so that turned out pretty good. All right, so far so good. So that's how you pair them, and I don't know. So far, I'm happy with this purchase. We'll see. $8 as opposed to, I don't know how much AirPods cost. What do they cost, like 150 or something like that? Or the Galaxy earbuds? Gosh, I mean, it's ridiculous. So, all right. I'm glad you guys enjoyed this video. Please do the algorithm a favor and smash that like button for me. And if you have any questions, put them below, because I'll try my best to help you. And I just got them, so I'm going to play with them. And I'll probably do a review in a few weeks, and I'll let you know how it went. All right? Have a great day. Take care. Hey, my friends, just one more note about these headphones. I made a phone call with these after I did the original video with the music, which I did not play the music. It didn't pick up on the camera microphone, and that's good anyway, because I would get demonetized, and I can't. I need YouTube. So smash that like button. I need the YouTube to do the thing. But I made a phone call. I called a friend, and he said he could barely hear me when I was speaking with these headphones. And then I did an experiment in the house where my significant other called me, and I listened on her phone, and it was a bit muffled. So what I'm going to recommend is, if you're using these for music, they're fine. If they're using them for casual conversation, if you're using them for professional conversation, you're probably going to want to invest in something a little more fidelity, because these are probably not going to do the job. So I just wanted you guys to know that, because it's kind of an important feature on these headphones. So thanks a lot. See if you can do something nice for somebody and not get caught, and have a great day. Thanks for your help.